So first we're gonna start by placing the wig on the mannequin. Please make sure you condition it properly to make sure the bleach is out properly, because you will have white residue inside your lace. Make sure when you're pulling the lace on the wig, you're pulling from the sides and not the lace part, so you won't damage the lace and have holes. And basically I'm just gonna brush it out with my wig brush. So just to let you guys know, this is like my first video doing this, so first take is first goddamn serve. Anyway, wig brush, combing it out. This is fresh out of the water, of course. It had the bleach on it, put the bleach in the knots on top of the closure. I believe this is a 5x5, and yeah. So we're just gonna brush it out, then blow dry, then add the other little products and stuff like that. Okay, and you want to take your rat tooth comb, start the comb towards the back. Make sure it's in the middle. It's a closure 5x5. My sister wanted a middle part, of course, so you just part it down the middle. And again, you guys, the fast forwarding and all of that, just jump and skip to where you need to, because I am not going to be adding in this too much. Keep parting, keep parting. Back there is where I'm parting at for the back space, so the back can be properly disguised. So you're just gonna start parting out your baby hairs at the front. They're pretty long when given. So the primary length that I always cut it, that is an okay length for me, is by the eyebrows of the mannequin. Somewhat go up and down in that type of motion. Now, I wish I had my concentrator on my blow dryer, but I don't. I have a regular brush. This brush is good to use, just so I can get up on it like that, and like that, that's all. So, yeah, we're gonna start. Now, I press the blow dryer on the head of the wig. I do that just so it can be really flat. Mind you, it is wet, no products. Just simply have it on high heat and really closely, while wet, molding out the way you want your style to be. I've noticed when making wigs or any hairstyle, it's about the mold in a way first, and then you could do anything else. But if you have the mold, then it's quite harder. And it's just laying out so nicely right there. Like, it looks really, it's really coming together. So this is a local wax stick from the Beauty Supply store. It was really $10 for this. Lasts pretty long. Comment down below if you need the brand of it. I'll write it down. So basically, you're gonna put it on top of the part and then blow dry it and mold it in the same direction that you've been doing while wet the whole time. And before you know it, it will be shiny, laying down, dry, in the way that you need, in the flattest way. Look at that. Poppin'. And so now we're just gonna blow dry the rest of the hair really quickly, fast. some more of the wax stick, and then you're gonna spray your spritz. Not too much as I did. Please, not maybe just one spray. But yeah, you're always just gonna keep using the same wax stick over and over, and you're gonna use this wig band on top of it. Presto Changeo, we're done, ladies, and this is the final product right here. With all the love and attention we just gave her, she's slicked back, she's super melted. Now, only thing you need to do is just lift it up properly, apply on your head, and just swoop over the baby hairs if you like baby hairs. If not, push them to the back like they already are, and it's ready to go. Bada bing, bada boom.